What's up, lovely people? So today in this particular video we are going to see how to apply a filter to the entire page in Power BI. So let's understand first what we are going to do now. So if we have 2 to 3 or more visualizations on a single page, and if we want to apply a filter which will be applicable to all visualizations present onto the entire page, then this is possible using the page filter. So let's see how we can do this. So the data set that we are going to use is a sample data set already provided by Power BI, which is a financials data. So let's see how to apply a filter to the entire page in Power BI. So I am to make some visualizations. So let's say I want to see the sales according to country, and yes, according to country. So let's make it some presentable, and yes, it is. After that I want to see the profit according to country. Yes, this is also done, and give it to pie chart. After that I want to see the unit sold according to country. Yes, this is also done, and convert it into tree map. Yes, this is good. Okay, so our visualization is done. So we are having here 3 visualizations on a single page. So if we want to apply a country filter which will be applicable to all the 3 visualizations which is present onto our current page, then we can do this by using these filters on this page. So you just have to drag and drop the country field onto this field, and you will be able to select the filter which you want to apply. So for example, I want to apply a filter of Canada country, France, Germany, and that's all. So you will be able to see the filter is applied over here to all the visualizations which are present on our current page. So this is all about today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned with us. Take care. Bye bye.